on staying late at my house. It would be no watching movies on my couch. Shit went left and now.
Hey Foureverdolls! Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Let me tell y'all, I have missed y'all so much. I am like running out of ideas, you guys, for looks. So please, please, please help a sister out. Comment looks down below that you guys want to see me do, and I'll try my best to get them all out. What else do I have to do? Nothing. So you guys want to go ahead and get on into this glittery, glamorous look. But without further ado, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share the video. Turn on your post notifications so that you never miss a video. And we're gonna go ahead and get on into the video. Hey Foureverdolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right on into the eyes. I'm going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna be using this to achieve my look today. Okay, so I'm going in and I'm using the light brown color out of the Jaclyn Hill palette to go and act as my transition color. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going into, you guys, is this burgundy color. And I'm going to be using that to warm up my transition color. I know I keep saying this burgundy color, that brown color, but you guys, I will have the list of the names for the colors that I use down below in the description box, you guys. I'm sorry. So pretty much what we're doing here, you guys, is focusing on the outer end of the crease, and we're getting that dark so that we can take the excess product and blend it inwards into our crease. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in with my Morphe blending brush. And I'm going to be using this blending brush, you guys, to just blend out the eyeshadow and just make it, you know, just, I can't get it out. Okay, so now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to be using this to cut my crease. You guys, it started off so perfect, and then it just went like, eh. I hate when that happens, but it's totally fine. Like I always tell you, dolls, keep going. Never stop in the midst of your makeup look. Okay, so now I'm just taking that same blending brush that I used, and I'm patting down that concealer just so that when I look up, it doesn't move or go any place that I don't want it to go. So I'm going to go back in with some more concealer, and I'm going to clean up that cut crease just a bit more. It bothers me, you guys. It just does. If I see it, I know you guys see it. Okay, so I went ahead and finished that eye off of camera, but I'm going to do this eye on camera with you guys so I can tell you the glitters and where I got them from. So right now I am smoking out that crease with that purple burgundy color from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Okay, I'm going in with my NYX glitter glue, and that is going to give this glitter a strong base, you guys, and it's not going to go anywhere. glitters that I'm getting out of the palette, which is off of Amazon. It's called the Misco's Glitters Palette. It is a pressed glitters palette. It says you do not have to use glitter glue, you guys, but I do just to give it that extra hold and coverage. So now moving on to my foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and I'm going to be using that to complete the look. So now I'm going in with my MAC Concealer Pro Longwear, and I'm going to be using that to highlight my face. Okay, so I'm just taking my e.l.f. blending brush, you guys. It is a concealer brush. You can get it from your local drugstore. I'm taking this brush and I'm going to be using this to blend out my concealer. I'm also spraying my face because you want to keep it hydrated and wet at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to use this to blend out the edges of my concealer so that it just makes it seamless with my foundation. You guys, this step is it's important, okay? It's very important. I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and I'm going to be using this to set my face. And I'm going back in with that same concealer brush that I used to apply my concealer. I'm going in with my Wet n Wild setting spray and I'm going to be using that to lock in the look. Now I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and I'm going to be using that to highlight my face. And y'all, when I tell y'all this highlight be popping, it be popping. Just remember to blend it out, okay? Okay. Get it, go, get it, get it, get it, get it, go, get it. Okay, so I'm also going to take some of that same highlighter and I'm going to use that to apply underneath my brow bone as well. Now I'm just blending out my highlighter, you guys, and going in with the Huda Beauty Lip Liner in the color Trophy White. And my NYX Buttery Gloss, you guys, and this is the complete look. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!